amazing work. We always forget the customer.
Alright, dear public and jury, we're Team Skill Issue and our project is Direct Viewer. So, Direct Viewer is an AI model that provides screenwriters and game designers a professional feedback from the most trained AI model to patch holes in a story, in scenario and synopsis. By patching holes, I mean it helps to avoid mistakes with character decisions, motivation, lore contradiction, and sequence of events, and so on. So, basically, the project aim is to avoid scenario mistakes and help screenwriters make proper films and video games. So here we got our application mockup. As you can see, here is the file selection. You're selecting the file, and you're just sending it to AI model, and you're waiting for the output. And for now, I would like to show you our prototype. So here, you're selecting file. Our example was the game design document, so you're choosing it. You need to wait a bit. And here is the response, where you can see the main concerns and some issues that you could fix and find out where are they. So model should outline the problems in your scenario or synopsis. Also, Direct Viewer should generate the given scenario storyboard, but unfortunately, this feature for now is unavailable. So this is the storyboard generation. Yeah. In the conclusion, I can say that I can tell you that some of the screenwriters came to our team and told us that it's a good idea, and they really liked it, and they would like to use it for their daily work. So, thank you for attention. Any questions?
Your turn.
Yeah, thank you. How you are earning the money? What is your business model? I didn't understand.
Yeah, so it's a work with an AI model, and our thoughts was about to use the software as a service model. So you're paying for a subscription, right? And you're getting the product.
How do you define the major innovation in this project?
Sorry, could you?
Are you using generic models, or are you training your own models? What's the biggest innovation gap that you are?
For this prototype, we outsourced the AI model, but the plan is to create your own model and teach it more about the films and multimedia, to focus on storytelling, if I can say so. So, yeah. Did I answer it, or I misunderstood?
Yes, you did. But think again.
Where from the knowledge about film and the insights come from? How do you teach the model? Where from is the knowledge of the model to correct the script to give the insights?
You mean how the model is giving you the output of the scenario and what's right, what's wrong? Or? I mean, as I already told you, it's building a story structure, character structures, their background, and so on. I mean, have you seen the films with the bad scenario when you're expecting one thing but happens others? So actually it's some holes in the scenario, so you're losing your, experience. So this tool should help you with that problem.
Okay, so in fact it's just filling the gaps.
Yes, punch the holes.
That's the instruction. Fill the gaps, make it seal the script.
Yeah, and why this idea came to us, because when you're making a film, in the big companies and so on, they're always changing the screenwriters and directors. So there are huge possibility that people are gonna make mistakes.
Alright, that's all the time we have. Thank you, Skilled Issue.
Thank you.